Hello everyone. Let us start with the dynamic analysis of a beam, a cantilever beam fixed at one end and it is excited at the other end with the magnitude of 100 Newton. So we have to have the harmonic analysis of this beam problem. So it is one single beam element having 1 meter length and it is of a square cross section having zero point 0.01 meter as width and height as 0.01 meter. So node 1 is completely fixed and it is excited with 100 Newton force. So the given data are Young's modulus of material of the beam is 2 into 10 power 11 Newton per meter square, Poisson's ratio as 0.27 and density of material of the beam is 7840 Newton per meter cube. Area of the beam element is 1 into 10 power minus 4 meter square and moment of inertia as 8.33 into 10 power minus 10 meter to the power of 4. So to solve this particular problem, so let us continue with the answers. So it is a structural problem. So take preference as structural, say OK. Preprocessor, element type, add, edit, delete, add. So it is a beam element of 2D elastic free. OK. So I will choose uh, the real constant, add, edit, delete, add, OK. So the area of the beam element is zero point 0.01 into 0.01, which is 1 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. And area moment of inertia, which is 8.33, 8.33 into 10 power minus 10 meter to the power of 4, height as 0.01 meter. So these are the real constant set values, close. Then material properties, material models, it is a structural problem, linear problem, elastic problem, isotropic problem, having Young's modulus as 2 into 10 power 11 Newton per meter square, and Poisson's ratio, you can choose it as 0.27. In addition to this, we have to define a density value for a dynamic problem, and the density rho, which is given as 7840 Newton per meter cube. Say OK, close. So these are the material properties values. Let us choose the uh, uh, create the key points first. Key point in active coordinate system. So key point 1 uh, having the coordinates of 0, 0, apply. Key point number 2, so which is created at a distance of 1 meter from the key point 1. Say OK. So we have to form an element line, so which is a straight line between key point 1 and key point 2. Say OK. Then we have to have the meshing of this particular line element. So use mesh tool. So we have to choose the smart size of mesh, select the line element, say OK. So this particular line element is divided or discretized into number of elements, number of line elements, and n number of nodes in it. So let us have the loading conditions, loads, define loads, apply, structural, displacement constraint on nodes. So on node number 1, so which is having the constraint, uh, it is all degrees of freedoms are constrained and is subjected to a force of 100 Newton at the right end, so which is a Fi value of magnitude 100 Newton. So this is the preprocessor wherein we need to have these two key points with line element which need to be meshed, and key point 1 is completely fixed and right end it is subjected to a load of 100 Newton. And for this particular problem we have to solve the problem with solution. So here the analysis type, it is a new analysis which is an harmonic analysis, say OK. Then analysis options, so this here you need to click it as OK 2 times. Next the load setup step options, so time or frequency and sub steps. So we have to choose the harmonic frequency range from say 0 to 50 or 0 to 100, and number of steps as 50. So it is a steps loading condition or stepped loading condition. Say OK. And for this, we have to have the solution solve current load setup problem. Say OK. Close. Now go to time history post processor. So add data by choosing this plus symbol. So y component of displacement, say OK. So I will going to choose the exciting point or exciting node, say OK. And I will just want to have the plot of this. So this is the plot, the harmonic analysis of the beam, which is subjected to the excitation of 100 Newton. So this is the dynamic analysis of a beam subjected to cantilever beam subjected to excitation of 100 Newton. So next, I will going to solve another problem, which is the analysis of a rectangular plate with so another problem, which is the stress analysis of a rectangular plate with a center hole. The rectangular plate is having dimensions of 200 by 200 mm and a center hole of dimension 80 mm diameter, or it is of 40 mm radius hole, and the thickness of this plain wall is 10 mm, and which is subjected to an symmetric loading condition of 100 Newton per mm square, with Young's modulus of the material of the member as 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square, and Poisson's ratio as 0.3. So let us try to solve this particular problem. Choose the preference as structural, say OK, preprocessor. So this problem we need to solve, which is the stress analysis of a rectangular plate with the center hole having dimensions of 200 by 200 and 80 mm 80 mm diameter hole at the center, having thickness of 10 mm and having symmetric loading conditions on either side of 100 Newton per mm square, with Young's modulus as 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square and Poisson's ratio as 0.3. So let us first of all choose a structural problem, and preprocessor element type add, edit, delete, add. So it is a solid element of quad 4 node 42. Say OK, and we have to choose an option of element behavior as plane stress with thickness, because we are having thickness in the given problem. Say OK, close. So go to the real constant, add, edit, delete. Right. So I will repeat this once again. Preference, it is a structural problem. Say OK. Preprocessor element type add, edit, delete, add. So it is a solid quad 4 node 42 element. Say OK. Uh, I will choose the option which is plane stress with thickness. Usually it will be, by default it will be in plane stress condition. So plane stress with thickness value it is. Say OK. Then go to the real constant. So add OK. So the thickness value here, it is given as 10 mm. Say OK, close. Next, material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. The value of Young's modulus is 2 into 10 to the power of 5 and Poisson's ratio as 0.3. Say OK and close. Next, go to the modeling, create an area of rectangle by center and corner with width as 200 and height as again 200 mm. So say OK. We have to have a center circle, solid circle of radius of 40 mm. Say OK at the center. Now we need a hole of 40 mm radius. So for this, it is required to have a Boolean operation. So go to modeling, operate, Boolean. So choose the subtract areas. So the area which you want to select first is the rectangle. Say OK, and then I want to subtract the solid circle from it. So select the solid circle, say OK. So this is the rectangular plate with the center hole. Now it is just I have created a model. Now for this we need to have the meshing. Choose the mesh tool. So of smart size of quad 4 node 42. So choose the mesh. Select the continuum. Say OK. So it is discretized into n number of quad 4 node 42 elements. Now here we have the symmetric pressure value on either side. So for this, go to loads. So the define loads. So apply loads. So first of all, I will going to say it is a structural load. The displacement value. Displacement values are symmetric in nature. So on lines, so I will select the left and right lines first. So these lines are symmetric in nature, and the displacement values, sorry, uh, these are completely, I will choose this as the fixed ends. So left and right end as fixed end. So select these two. So all the degrees of freedom are fixed for these two lines. Now I will going to apply the pressure inside this hole. So select the four quadratures. So select OK, and the magnitude of this pressure is 100 Newton per mm square. Say OK. Now for this particular problem, these are the pre-processed things. We have to have the solution of this particular problem, solve current load setup problem, say OK. Then go to the general post processor, plot results, contour plot, nodal solution. So the displacement factor sum of the given problem, and majorly we want to know the stress value, that is nodal solution. So we want to have the stress value in terms of von Mises. So select the von Mises stress, and these are the von Mises stress value for this particular problem. So you need to write the maximum and minimum value of it. So the maximum and minimum value of stresses that are taking place in the rectangular plate with center hole. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.